Hello there, happy Saturday. Thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert Meteorologist Denise Isaac, and the big day is here. The big game against MSU and UM happens tonight at 7:30 p.m. and you can expect temperatures to be warmer than average, running at least 20 degrees warmer today than yesterday and 20 degrees above normal for this time of the year. It will be windy as well. We're talking wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour, so it's more of a ponytail kind of weather, ladies. And there's a threat for storms happening this evening. This morning, waking up to areas of fog, very light drizzle, but in the afternoon we're expecting to see a few breaks in the clouds, so peaks of sunshine are also expected, and with that warm front lifting through the area and the sunshine, temperatures are expected to warm up into the low 80s and even some spots closer to the mid 80s. So we're looking at 80 in Rochester, 81 in Howell, Detroit, 83 Canton and Monroe, and 82 Ann Arbor. So if you're headed to the big house, this is what you can expect. Tailgating weather, windy and warm, 82. By kickoff, it's still dry, storms to our west, 77. But mainly after halftime, that's when we're expecting to see storms increasing, so make sure you do have your poncho with you. A temperature after the game at 71, and we could be seeing some damaging wind gusts at that time. But overall this morning, the rain moves out, then we get a break, we get to enjoy some sunshine, dry conditions early afternoon into the early evening hours. But then come nighttime, that's when we were talking about the storms. Here's our hour-by-hour forecast showing the rain moving in after 9 p.m. By 11, as you're heading out of the stadium, going into your car, you could be getting wet. But the good news is that this system moves through fairly quickly, and by tomorrow morning, we're just looking at light rain showers and a gorgeous Sunday overall. Tonight, storms before 1 a.m., then showers linger. It will be windy. Tomorrow, 76, mostly sunny. By Monday, Columbus Day, 76 degrees with a 30% chance for rain, thanks to the remnants of, at least right now it is, Hurricane Nate, but by Monday will be remnants of Nate. We could be seeing some of that rain over Metro Detroit. By Tuesday, we dry out and cool off as well, 72.